Good morning, students. How are you? Good. I am also fine. Thank you. Today we have to discuss about quadratic equation. And in quadratic equation, there are so many conditions and property here. Today we have to study about the if roots of quadratic equation are given, how we can find the condition. Clear? Means how we can derive the relation between conditions of given question if roots are given. Clear? Then here first one, if. Clear? First of all, if quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0. Clear? Why? If a is equal to 0, then it is a linear equation. Therefore, if any equation is there, first of all we can simplify and we can check. After that, change into this form: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0. And this equation has two roots, alpha and beta. Clear? Are roots. Clear? And sum means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product means alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Clear? Any problem? Very good. Now, if one root is reciprocal to each means other, to other. Clear? Other root. If one root is the reciprocal to other root, means let one root is alpha, then second is what? 1 by alpha. Clear? Then what? Since alpha into beta is equal to c by a, you can see here, then 1 by alpha into alpha is equal to what? C by a, cancel here, then c is equal to a. Clear? Or a is equal to c. This is condition. Second here, if one root is 0, means suppose one is alpha, second is 0, or suppose one is 0, second is beta, depend on you. Then here alpha into, since alpha into beta is equal to what? C by a. Alpha into 0 is equal to what? C by a. Then c is equal to 0 into a, 0. Now this is a condition. And if both roots are 0, clear? Means alpha and beta, alpha 0 and beta also 0, then what? 0 plus 0 is equal to what? Minus b by a. Then b is equal to 0. And 0 into 0 means what? How it will come? Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. 0 into 0 is equal to c by a. Then c is equal to 0. Clear? It means when both the roots are 0, then beta is b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0. Now, if one root to be infinite, clear? Infinite means what? It means when one root is infinite, in this condition what? Means a is equal to 0. And if both roots to be infinite, then what? A is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. Clear? Then play this as condition. You will do practice about the condition and learn also here. Very simple. If you know only this equation and alpha beta, the roots of this equation, the sum of alpha is equal to minus b by a and product of alpha and beta is equal to c by a. With the help of this roots, this condition, we can find all the conditions in simple way. Clear? I am going to give example here. Now see the example. This example based on condition of roots. Find the condition. Condition means we have to find the relation. Clear? Between ABC, whatever possible there, that one root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 may be 4 times the other root. Any doubt? Good. Now this equation has two roots, alpha and beta. Clear? Alpha and beta. Understood? Then let first root is alpha and second root is what? 4 times. Then 4 into alpha. Clear? Now according to condition, alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Means what? Alpha is alpha, beta is what? 4 alpha is equal to minus b by a. Then what? 5 alpha is equal to minus b by a. Therefore, alpha is equal to minus b upon 5a, equation number first. Clear? Understood? And alpha into beta is equal to what? C by a. In previous video already I have told you. And alpha is equal to alpha and beta is equal to what? 4 alpha is equal to c by a. Then 4 into alpha square is equal to c by a. That is alpha square is equal to c upon 4a, equation number second. Any problem? No. Condition means we have to eliminate the alpha beta means roots here and find the value of in the form of in the terms of ABC here. Then now going to put the value of alpha from equation number 1 in equation number 2. Clear? Then from equation first and second we get alpha is equal to what? Minus b upon 5a whole square is equal to c upon what? 4a, and b square upon 25a square is equal to c by 4a. A square means a cancel here, and 4b square is equal to what? 25ac. Then 4b square is equal to 25ac. Clear? Now this is condition here. You can say there is no alpha and beta. There is in the form of A, B and C. Once more I am going to inform you, tell you if any condition is there. Condition means we have to eliminate alpha and beta and the value should be in the form of ABC. Understood? Now see the question number 2. This example number 2 also here. Find the value of m. Clear? So that the roots of the equation x square minus bx upon ax minus c is equal to m minus 1 upon m plus 1. First of all what? X square minus bx upon ax minus c is equal to m minus 1 by m plus 1. This is not standard quadratic equation. So first of all we will change into quadratic equation means in this form. Clear? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. Understood? Now here m plus 1 into x square minus bx is equal to m minus 1 ax minus c. Now this into this m plus 1 x square minus b m plus 1x is equal to a m minus 1x minus a m minus 1. Now here m plus 1 x square minus, transfer here, minus x and b m plus 1. Clear? Minus minus common means plus here, a m minus 1 plus c m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now m plus 1 x square minus x. Here what? Bm plus b and am minus a plus c m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here in the form of x square plus xb plus c is equal to 0. Clear? A is equal to what? M plus 1. B is equal to what? B means here, capital B here. B is equal to what? Minus. Clear? Bm plus B am minus 1 means A. Clear? And C is equal to what? C am minus 1. After calculating, we will get this one. Any problem? Very good. Now, roots may be equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. Clear? Then let if alpha is alpha, then beta is equal to what? Minus alpha. Why? Alpha means here equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. According to condition, since alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Suppose here b by a here, then 0 is equal to what? Minus b means this. Bm plus b plus am minus a upon what? A means what? A means m plus 1. Here, minus here already, minus here means here plus sign. Now cross multiplication, bm plus am plus b minus a is equal to 0. M common, b plus a is equal to what? Here what? A minus b. M is equal to what? A minus b upon a plus b. Now this is value of m is equal to a minus b by a plus b. Are you understanding? Any problems? Any doubt? Very good. Very simple. If any question is given, we will study, we will read the question. After that, write the condition and use the formula. Then calculate. After calculation, answer will come, means condition will come. Understood? Good. Now see this question. This is very important question. Find the value of k. Clear? What we have to find? K. So that the equation 2x square plus kx minus 5 is equal to 0 and x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 may have one root common. Clear? One root common. Already you know quadratic equation has two roots, alpha and beta. Now here let one common root is alpha. Clear? Alpha is common root. Therefore, 2 alpha square plus what? K alpha minus 5 is equal to 0. And alpha square minus 3 alpha minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? Now, in class 9, we have studied about cross multiplication methods. How we can find any simultaneous equation with the help of cross multiplication method. Clear? Then alpha square and here alpha, here 1. Clear? Alpha square means what? Minus 4k. Here cancel, plus minus minus here, and minus cancel 3 into 5, minus minus plus, and here 15. Cancel here, 2 into minus 4 means minus 8, and what? Here cancel, then minus 5 what? Means here what? Plus 5. Understood? Once more here. Alpha square k into minus 4 alpha, and minus plus means 15 here. Here hide. Then 2 into minus 4 means minus 8, and 1 into minus alpha means what? Plus alpha. And after that minus 6 here, and what? Minus k. Here. Now alpha square upon what? Minus 4 alpha minus 15 is equal to here minus 3 means alpha by 3 is equal to minus 6 minus k. Then this is equal to this. Very simple here. And alpha square upon minus 4 alpha minus 15 is equal to what? 1 by minus 6 minus k. That is what? Minus common. Alpha square is equal to 4 alpha plus 15 upon what? Here 6 plus k. Clear? And if this is equal to this, alpha is equal to what? 3 upon what? Minus 6 plus k. Then alpha square is equal to what? 9 upon 6 plus k whole square. Now this is equation second, and this is equation number first. Clear? Now comparing this equation means what? 4 alpha plus 15 upon 6 plus k is equal to 9 upon 6 plus k whole square. Cancel here. What? Then 4 alpha plus 15 and 6 plus k is equal to 9. Clear? After that we will find the value. Then k is equal to minus 3 and k is equal to minus 27 by 4 will come. When we will solve, clear? After solving, it is quadratic cos will come. The k is equal to minus 3 and k is equal to minus 27 by 4 will come. So this is a value, this is the answer, this is a condition for this question, and this is a value for k. Clear? Now homework is very important. So at last of any video I am giving homework question already I have given. So find the condition that 1 root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 may be 3 times the other roots n times the other. Second question is find the value of k so that the equation 2x square plus kx minus 5 is equal to 0, and here x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 may have one root common. Clear? Both are similar question. Equation is 1 is the common, and here 2 and 4. With the help of this question, please you will complete. And calculation is very important. Please, suppose if any question due to time I'm not completing calculation, please you will complete calculation, check your answer what is right or wrong. Clear? And how many example given in your book, please you complete the example. Example is very important. Okay, thank you very much.